Hi there, this is Kevin once again, and here I welcome you all to the new episode of Hackanons. And guys, in this video I will show you a step-by-step guide for installing and configuring Redis on Windows 10 and make it work with Node.js server. So guys, for installing Redis on Windows 10 there are multiple ways. The three ways that I know is, one is like you can navigate to the Redis Windows website, Redis official doc, and they will say to install WSL, that is a Linux subsystem for Linux, and from there you can install Linux on your Windows and then you can make the WSL work. So this is a trick which is everywhere in the internet, but I'm not going to show you this trick. Another way is like you can install the Docker on your Windows, make a Docker image, but then also for running Docker needs WSL. So it means at the end at least you need WSL to make the Redis work. So that is not the case over here. At the end of this video, you will be able to get to know how you can install Redis with all these three ways, and one way is mine way, in which you don't even have to install WSL, you don't have to install Docker, anything you don't need. Just on a single click of file, the Redis will get run and you will be able to get it connected with Node.js application. That is an important thing, and I will show you this application making work on this Windows. So guys, without being more said, let's get started. So guys, let's see the way one. The way one is mine way, in which I am saying that this is going to be the one click the Redis is going to get work on the Windows. So what you need to do guys, you will get a link of this Redis latest zip file in the video description. From there you can get this, and once you will get this, is going to have this much of files. So one file is for Redis server, one is for Redis CLI. So as soon as I click on this Redis server, that's bam guys, you can see the Redis is running on my Windows system. It doesn't even need installation, nothing is needed. So if you think like it is not working, I'm fooling you, let's see. Let's just go back. Let's just go to this Node.js CURD app. So this app is the app which I directly got it from this repo. I didn't put my hat like for creating a code for you guys. So I'll do the CMD, and over here I'll type. You can see the app is having a app.js as a file. So if I do node app.js, so it is saying Redis connection established successfully. So it means it is working with Redis. So let me just close this application now. As soon as I close this, you can see I should get over here I will get like error connecting. So it means it is not able to connect to Redis. I'll close this and I'll again run. So it will show me that Redis is not connecting. And if I'll do again, I'll go to this Redis latest, that is a zip file which you will get in the video description. I'm again saying I'll click, and you can see that's bam, the Redis is running, and I'll click again and the Redis is running fine. So this is the way one, which is one of the easiest way I can say. Go to the video description, hit that like button if you want, and just download the zip file and make it work on a single click. Now with this way there is one issue. The issue is the Redis version. Only compiled file I am having for this is for Redis 3. But if you just a Node guy or a developer, you want to make Redis work, all the commands is going to work in Redis version 3, and currently it's version 5 in the market. It doesn't matter more. And you can do the Redis CLI, from where you can access anything. You can do set. I'll set one key over here. It's going to be Kevin. I'll set value 1, 2, 3, and now I can do get. I'll get Kevin. I'll get everything. So this is the normal, anything like a normal Redis thing. So the hash maps, a lot of things are there. So let me show you the Node server. So you can see this is a server, and in this I'll like click on post request. I will add one user over here. So this is the endpoint, and I will add one ID. So the ID I will add is over here, Kevin Sharma. As soon as send, it should send me the ID. So you can see it is sending the ID, and the data is added successfully. Now let's try to access this data. So and I'll just so I think I'll need to remove this. This is the endpoint. I click on get. And as soon as I click on get, I will be able to get the data from over here. So you can see guys, that's simple, easy, like a one-click game. This is the way, my way, which I think you will not be able to get on internet. One of the easiest way. Now let's talk about the other way. So for the other way, guys, you might be thinking, hey Kevin, you are giving us a way in which you are using a very poor Redis version, that is a Redis 3.5. I want a latest version. So for that, I'm having a solution. The solution is you need to install WSL, that is Windows Subsystem for Linux. It is a cool thing. You using this, you will be able to run Linux on Windows. And for that, if you want, you will be click on that I icon, you will get this video. That is how you can install WSL on Windows. It is a small, I think 2 to 3 minutes task, from where you will be able to install any system of Linux you want to. Ubuntu, OpenSUSE, Kali, Debian, Red Hat, even you will be able to get it. Once that is done, then you just need to follow the guide. I can show you. So you need to do this: Redis install Redis server and start a server. Let me show you with this also. I'll close this Redis CLI. I'll close this Redis over here. Now if I go over here, I've already tried this for you. You can see if I'll show from this, I did this. This is the WSL of Ubuntu which is running in my Windows. I did this sudo apt get install Redis server. I added my password, installed, and it, as I did the Redis server started. So let me start again so that I'll show you. I clicked on Redis start. Now Redis server is so this the benefit of over here is you don't have to open an extra CLI window, and even you are having a power of Linux. So let me try to again connect with this my app. This should get connected, and you can see it is getting connected with my Linux WSL Redis server also. So there are two ways that I have shown you. I will show you the API. This API won't be show the data because we are having two Redis now. One Redis was for that Linux, so it is not having that key. The reason why it is not having key, I told you. If I to Kavin Sharma, it is not going to have the key, and the reason is that only because both other Redis are different. One was running on the Redis CLI, which was for Windows. Now it is an independent virtual machine which is on Linux, but both are going to share the same port. That is a benefit. So let's try to add a key from over here. Also, I'll make it a post request. I'll just remove this 1 2 3. That is another. Let's try to add. So the key is added successfully. If I'll again do, I'll just remove this, add a key over here and click on get. So I'll be able to get the data. So this is the second way that I told. Now the third way is another way that is a bit tricky. If you want, you can do install WSL from there, make a Docker image using which you can do it. But I prefer these two. These are the easiest one. And if you want for Docker image, you can ping me, I can give it to. So yeah guys, so I think that's it. You are able to do, I think I'm able to successfully able to show you how you can run Redis with Node.js and Windows 10 with two ways. One is like on this website which everybody know, another is like a simple single click button. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you like, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and if you have any queries, please feel free to ping me on the comment section. So that's it. Bye bye and have a nice day.